What's going on, guys? So, as you can see here, I made some changes. I fleshed out things a little bit. I centered the nav. I just think it looks a lot better when it's all centered. At full screen, it'll look like this, which I think actually is kind of nice. It looks pretty cool. Um, Everything's above the fold here with the button and the call to action. And as you scroll down, this bar will still be on the top. But then we get down to about. And I took out the things on the left and right. I just put the text here and email and phone number. Just keep it simple, nice and simple. So next we're going to work on what is the next section? I think it is portfolio, but let me take a look at this real quick and see what we got. Portfolio, and we got 3 items in this one. So we'll go over to this site where the portfolio is, and we'll drag all of this over to the current new version here. And I'm going to bring this down a little bit. And this will be down here. Yeah, it looks good. I still like the same background color, so I'm going to keep it like that. I'll just make it extend out to the sides as it should. I was thinking, it's maybe instead of having 3, like doing some sort of loop, using a loop in WordPress to do something else, but I'm going to keep it the way it is. Portfolio. Let's center all this together. There we go. And I should look at this and bring it in. So these images, let me go. This one goes over to here. And I'll have the left one go just outside the grid. I probably shouldn't do it that way. I should have it come right on the inside. And the images will be smaller, needless to say. Okay. I'm just going to take this image and apply the layer mask and make it smoother. Like this, and we'll bring it into here. I think we can fit. Let's see, we can do 1, 2, 3. How far is it? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 wide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we can't. So it has to be 3 wide, like that. Much smaller than it was. I'll bring these up here too. Oops. Bring this up here. Like that. And then we'll just duplicate this image across and put it in each of these. So I don't need to do it that way. And then I'll bring it here. Now this is tricky because it's not exactly centered in here, is it? But I think that's okay. I mean, grid systems are nice, but it's really just guidelines at the end of the day. And this is what size it'll be on desktop anyway, which is more than big enough. Looks good. I'm going to go up here and grab the text. Hackathon poster. And I will make this text a lot smaller here. We'll bring it down to like a 14 point text and make it the same width as the images. There we go. Bring that up a little bit. And well, let's do some spacing on this stuff. Portfolio. The word. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we'll have the images here. Some of those up here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll do 8. And then we'll grab the hackathon poster. One, two, that's good. And I'll also make this text a little smaller. Bring it down to 24. Yeah, that's good. Oops, where'd I go? 1, 2, 3. I'll do 1, 2. And then this should also be 1, 2. Okay. Now we're going to grab that text and move it over. So actually, first I'm going to bring this down. It goes with the first image, if I'm not mistaken. And we'll group that together. Item 1. And we will grab the second one. Actually, I'm just going to get rid of these and duplicate the whole thing. Whoa. Didn't want to do that. Whoops. Excuse me. Item 1. And bring that over to the very middle. There. I think that's about right. And then we will grab it again. That's item 2. And we will do it all the way to here. Alright, looks good. So that's what the portfolio will look like. Of course, we'll have different images and different text and whatnot, but it gives you the idea. For the background, I need to bring it up a little bit, so let me grab that. Yeah, bring it down to that. There. Not very precise or scientific, but you get the idea. There's the portfolio. It looks pretty good, actually. I like that. Just here it is, full screen. Looks good. You can definitely see what's going on there. Click on them and get more information. Cool. And I'll have some, like nice transition or mouse over effects and things like that, hover states as well. And we're moving right along here. I'm going to just go ahead, since I got you here, and do the next section too, which would be the blog. Now, actually, maybe I'll wait on the blog because it's like a bit more on that one. Yeah, we'll do the blog next. I think we can wait because that one will take a little bit longer. And that's it for this one. See you next time.